Hey, what is up, everyone? This is Evil Nebo here again, and today we are playing more Ratchet and Clank, and I honestly forgot where the fuck we last left off. I was gonna do some Final Fantasy 15, but I'm gonna try to find a way to record that on PC, only because with where my Xbox is, it's still difficult. So that thing's going to overheat like a motherfucker. And where the fuck am I supposed to be doing? Oh, I'm actually done here. Okay, cool. I actually don't remember the controls for this game, so this is gonna be fucking interesting. Alright, let's see here. That one's done. Damn it. Okay, bring prize to agent. That is in Blackwater City. Win the hoverboard race. Locate Captain Quark. Just gonna make sure I'm not forgetting anything, because I feel like I probably am, but I don't know. So we're gonna go here. I also did pick up a new game today, which I am excited for, because it's a game I've actually played a shit ton of on the Wii. And some of you probably might know what I'm talking about, but I will be playing that after I record this episode. And once I record, as I'm recording and editing this, I'm going to start working on getting that up, because trying to get Final Fantasy 15 is going to be a bit of a nightmare to get working properly. At least recording wise on PC, and trying to play on Xbox, because oh my god, playing it on Xbox is slow as shit. Because I am accustomed to playing it at 60. It's running at like 30, I think, or some shit. At least that's how it is on my Xbox. Now, I don't know if that's just because I'm playing it through a disc, or I have no idea. What is new in this today?
I got some great bargains for you today.
We have the Mind Glove. I'm much more in favor of the Glove of Doom myself.
That's a real beauty.
The Mind Glove. Interesting. Okay, where are we supposed to go? Win the hoverboard race and locate Captain Quark. This should not be too difficult. As I already forget the controls. There we go. Alright, swing shot. Oh, Jesus. Okay. So I still know most of the controls, just not all the controls. What? Yeah, let's see here. Foot items, grind boots. Nope. Hydra display. Oh, wait a minute. No, it's trespasser or fucking something. Ah, that's what that does. Okay. And now this thing is full of water, I think. Still getting on these bolts. There was a reason for this. Oh, it's right here, I think. Oh well. Okay, that's enough bolts. And there we go. Sucky, sucky, I'm coming for your water. Okay, that was just wrong. Do I care? Fuck no. Though to some degree I probably should. But, fuck it. I mark on my videos not to be aimed for children because I don't have a PG-13 voice. I don't know what the fuck I'm supposed to be doing. Oh, there's a reason. Oh, wait a minute. I think I done fucked up. Oh, I forgot to fill it up. Oops. Actually, I think I was supposed to drain it anyway. Yeah, I was, because I had to go whack those out. Because I can't do that underwater. That's gonna blow. All the bolts shall be mine. All the bolts. Okay, that's good enough for now. Oh, I gotta run. This place is filling up fast. Goodbye. Goodbye. Oh. They just exploded on impact. Fucking hell yeah. I have no idea where I'm going or what I'm doing, by the way. So I apparently fucked up some way, shape, and form. How, I don't know. Oh no. I think I just lost my, Oh shit. I think I just... Wait, did I? I don't know. I think I did. I think I just lost my ability to look to the right. Okay, I'm clearly doing something wrong. Wait. Oh, wait. Okay, cool, cool. All is good. We just gotta run. I still feel like I should be... There's something I'm supposed to be doing. I just don't know what that is. Or maybe I just wasn't running fast enough. Oh, fuck! Oh, I'm gonna die again. Yep. How am I supposed to get past this fucking part? I feel like there's something I'm supposed to do, but I just don't know what that is. Oh, that was fucking close. Holy shit. That was really fucking close. I fucking hate water worlds. And this has now made it to my top 3. Something tells me this is not gonna be easy. What? Okay. No. Glove of Doom. Let's go. Or not. Okay. Time for my gun.
Press conference is over. Captain Quark don't want no more reporters bugging him in his trailer.
Oh, you see, my friend and I need to speak to the captain about a matter of galactic security.
You mean you and your walking camera? You paparazzi make me sick. Now beat it.
But sir, I'm sure the Captain Quark will understand once we...
Now, save it. I know how it works. You convince me to let you in, you snap a picture of the captain in his underpants, then you sell a picture to the info tabloid for $1 million bolts.
You've got it all wrong.
Meanwhile, I'm stuck here making 6 bolts an hour, and I have to listen to a lecture from that cheapskate Quark. So you don't get in unless I get a kickback. In advance.
Ouch.
You see how it works? You grease the hinges, the door opens.
That was way too many bolts.
Captain Quark?
Was that?
It's Ratchet and Clank, Captain. You know, from the hub.
Oh, yes, I know who you are.
You do?
Yes, and thank the galaxy you found me.
Huh?
There's an awful plot being hatched to destroy our planets.
Ratchet, he knows.
Great. Does that mean we can go hoverboarding now?
My friends, we're all in grave danger, and I believe that together we can put a stop to this madness.
Together? You mean you want our help?
Look, Ratchet, I've been keeping an eye on you. I've never seen anyone with such raw talent. You are a true hero in the making.
Really? You mean I could be famous?
Oh, absolutely. Oh, here, take this.
Well, that was easy.
What makes one man toil in obscurity while another becomes a hero? Is it strength, compassion, determination, or just pure blind luck? Wise men through the ages have struggled with that very question, but Captain Quark knows the secret. That's why he's been able to defeat more despots, rescue more damsels in distress, and save more civilizations than any other hero in the galaxy. Now is your opportunity to see if you've got the stuff heroes are made of. This infobot contains coordinates to Quark's secret base. Can you quickly conquer Quark's killer cannonade of confounded contraptions? Can you quickly can you quickly quit? Oh, just make your way through the defenses to the center of the base. Prove yourself, learn the secret, and earn your place in galactic history. Consult your doctor before attempting any strenuous exercise. Not responsible for death or dismemberment. Your results may vary.
Sounds promising.
Meet me at my headquarters.
Hey, Captain Ratchet, what do you think?
We won't fail you, sir. We promise.
Okay, now we get to go do the hoverboard shit. Which, how the fuck do we do that? And I found this door, but can't get through. There's somebody over there. I feel like I need to go speak with. A taxi. Okay. But I want to go there. I don't want to go to my ship. There's probably an alternative way to get there, which is probably through here. That's my guess. So we shall continue on. What is it locking onto? There we go. See, now that wasn't so hard. It requires a lot of bullets, but that tank is now in the realm of the unalive. And so will the rest of his friends. Because why the fuck not? And there is nothing back here, is there? Nope. Do you even know why I bothered to come back here? Pop. I was half expecting to go die, but that works too. Oh, shit. That would not have been fun. Oh, wow. You... Ow, you fucking asshole. You actually did damage. Frick. I was gonna be nice to you until you try to bite me in the nuts, so fuck you. Well, that was worth getting that health for. And that would be my phone telling me that GDQ uploaded a video. I really need to turn off all my notifications. Not that GDQ is annoying, it's just I need to turn my notifications off for when I'm recording because it's just annoying. And luckily, I bought an iPhone, so doing that's not going to be too difficult. Actually. Hit the mute switch because I forgot iPhones had them on the side of the phone. For the record, I've been on Android since what was it? The LG Optimus G, and then I went from LG to Samsung, and now I'm back on iPhone because LG no longer makes cell phones, which is very sad because I actually kind of like them. I actually quite enjoyed their phones, but at the time, the only phone they had that was tempting to me was the V20, I think. The LG, yeah, it was the LG V20. That was a nice looking phone, and I wanted to get it, but I stupidly didn't get it and went with a Galaxy Note Edge. No, shit, a Galaxy S7 Edge, I think. I don't remember what I don't remember when it was, but all I know is I, for some reason, got a Samsung instead of an LG because reasons, evidently. I don't remember the whole reason, but there was some kind of reason. That's all I know. And then I just been Android for years. Because I really wasn't one for... I mean, I did have an iPhone 4, which I loved it. I loved and hate that thing. Now I kind of wish I actually had one again because I destroyed mine. So if I'm going to be honest, I'm actually kind of enjoying using an iPhone again. Granted, it's not my preferred, but I've had so many problems with Samsung. It was roll the dice again with Samsung, or say fuck it and go back to an iPhone where it's decent. I don't know where I was going. I don't know where I'm going with this, but the explanation I can probably think of right now is party and bullshit. And the little monkey with the cymbals going cling, cling, cling is just being stupid. There's no point to this commentary. It's just pure shenanigans. How about that? I want to get that, but I don't feel like I need to, though. Hey, bomb glove. I've got to have that thing. Alright, so that's that thing. Is this a phone booth? Interesting. Ooh, health. I will talk to you here in a minute, buddy, but right now I'm collecting shit. You can wait like 5 minutes. Or 10 minutes, I don't know. Okay. So what do you want, buddy?
Rhino for your robot. Trade you.
Well, okay.
Ratchet.
I'm kidding. Sorry, he's not for sale. What's a rhino anyway?
Rip ya a new one.
What did you just say to me?
R-Y-N-O. Rip ya a new one.
Why, that's the most powerful missile launcher in the galaxy. I know it's worth a lot of bolts. He must have stolen it from the blarg.
Stolen. Look, trash can. Did I say's anything about it being hot? You better watch your mouth or I'll...
Wait, don't tell me. Rip you a new one.
Holy shit, that's a lot of bolts. I'm gonna come back for that. Because that just seems tempting. Yeah, this is gonna be fun. Uh-oh. Kaboom. Hey, robots. I will fight you fuckers in a minute, but right now I want to collect shit. I think I've collected enough stuff. Fucking asshole. Thank you for the cooperation. That is your death. Please come die again. I will happily take that health. Hear me and my machine gun. You guys and your gas guns. I got bullets. Or whatever the fuck this thing shoots. I'm gonna assume bullets. Ah, that's where I gotta go. Oh, what? That's fucking cheap. Hello. I need that. Oh, you have a gun too. Wait, nope, that's just the same part gun. Did not see the green puff cloud. You dickhead. The fuck? Okay, cool, but... Ah, here we go. Ah, nice health. Okay, there's gotta be a way to get through there. Am I missing a little circle thingy? Whatever the fuck these things are. Ah, I was. I want that golden bolt. It's right here. Might as well grab it. Dickhead. Oh, what? I definitely gotta be missing something. Seriously? I will find a way to get that golden bolt one way or a fuck another. You have gas, I have lead. And I am almost dead. Ow. Yay, more bullets. Okay, I will speak with you here in a minute. I want to collect shit. Okay, I can't destroy that, unfortunately. This looks like the other two. Yes, it is. Okay. There's another taxi. I hope you're my ticket to the hoverboard race. Where did that come from?
Welcome to the HoverCon
Fuck.
Intergalactic Hoverboard Competition. Captain Quark's giving away a brand new Platinum Zoomerator to the winner of this competition.
A platinum zoomerator. Perhaps that will be the proof of your accomplishments that Skid's agent requires.
Wait, do you guys mean Skid McMarks?
Yeah, Skid couldn't make it, so we're here to, you know, fill in for him.
Guess we'll see about that.
Did her poops just bounce? Either I'm seeing things, or I am now afraid to go on DeviantArt. I'm just gonna pretend I didn't see anything. Okay, that's another doorway. That's probably where I came from. And over here is just more shit to go collect. So, fuck it. Oh, that's gonna blow. Yeet. Hell yeah. Alright, let's go do this race. I have no idea what the fuck I'm doing. I may have to redo this. We're going to quit and redo that. Okay. Damn it. I will win this one way or fucking another. Ow. Damn it. There we go. There we go. Fuck. I was in second too. Damn it. Damn it, for I will win this race. Some way, shape, and form. That didn't work. God fucking damn it. Whoa, what the fuck did I just do? Well, you went kaboom, man. That's not good for your health. Fuck. And neither was that for mine. I don't care how many times I gotta restart this. I will win this race. Okay, let's try not be stupid. So we hit this. That's optional. Jump here. Get that. Fuck! Something tells me I've already been lapped. Nope. No, I haven't. Okay, we're trying that. Fuck. Okay, stand by. Okay, I have successfully done it.
Hi, folks. Captain Quark here. It is my distinct pleasure to introduce this year's HoverCon Intergalactic Champions. Let's give it up for newcomers.
Ratchet and Clank.
Hey, look, that's us.
Today's winners will take home a brand new professional-grade Model T15 Platinum Zoomerator. Manufactured by Gadgetron, this hoverboard drive delivers more lift, speed, and maneuverability than any other anti-grav device on the market. Well, folks, that's all the time we have. Tonight, remember to set your infobots to the Quark Classic channel for tonight's episode of Dogfight Over Death Canyon, starring yours truly. Thank you and have a Quark-tastic day.
Oh yeah. Alright, so now we go back to the ship, go bring this to the other guy, and then we'll set course for the next planet and end the video there. Theoretically. Because I'm gonna be honest, doing that race, no tutorial, and no knowledge on how the fuck it's done, was a little annoying. Damn it. Back to the ship we stole. I actually don't remember how we got the ship. All I know is we somehow got a ship. Alright, so what was it? This one? Yes. Blast off. I gotta go find this agent. I don't remember what the fuck he was at. I want to say that way? I think I went this way to go find him. Oh. Yay, more enemies to slaughter. Ow. Enjoy a explosive device. And gets back in the face. Oh, wait. Was it this way? I feel like I'm going the wrong way. Well, only one way to find out. Oh, damn it. That wasn't meant to happen. But only because I think I'm going the wrong direction. We're going the other way. Because I think we found him first because we didn't have the swing shot yet. then we came back and did the rest of it with the swing shot and found skip marks. Yep, that looks to be him. Well, shit, that was easy.
Fantastic! You got it! Great work, kid.
So, are you gonna represent me?
You bet, kid. And as a signing bonus, I've got this.
Cool helmet.
That is a sonic summoner. It is used to attract sand mice.
Right, and it's all yours. Well, I'm off to finalize the paperwork. I'll have my people call your people.
Do you have people?
The sonic summoner allows you to interact with the mysterious and intelligent sand mice species. Despite their innocent appearance, sand mice are very effective and aggressive hunters. Simply equip the sonic summoner when you are near a sand mouse house, and a mouse will emerge to greet you. If the mouse likes you, it may offer a bit of high-caliber tactical assistance.
Nice. Oh! Oh, that's fucking dope. I'm okay with this. He is adorable. I will call him Murder. And he will do great because of his name. I hope. I'm not great at random names on the spot. Alright, to the next world, and we'll save and end it there. Quark HQ, Umbrus. Survive Quark's Gauntlet. Let's go.
Welcome to my challenge course. Now is your chance to prove yourself strong and brave. Like
And my dog is going apeshit.
conquer it, and you'll join in my fight against evil.
Haven't we done enough already?
What? I can't hear you.
I said, haven't we done?
Sorry, still having trouble. Tell me later.
Later? We might be dead by then.
What?
All right, Clank, let's get going.
That was awesome. Alright, so we are going to end it here. Thank you all for watching this episode. I'm going to start editing this and then get it uploaded. In the meantime, I'm going to start recording some Sonic Ultimate, or Sonic Colors Ultimate. Have a nice one.